This question was asked in TFR 2022 physics paper, and it says that a homogeneous solid sphere floats in the water like this. The highest point of the sphere is at r by 2 distance from the surface of the water. The density of the water is given to be 1 gram per centimeter cube, and we need to solve this for the density of the material. So we will use the Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle says the buoyant force is equals to the weight of the liquid which is displaced by the material. So we need this much of the volume. So to find this volume, we can use two approach, either the solid angle approach or the integration approach. So I will use the integration approach here. First we calculate this volume of the sphere. So the volume element in the spherical coordinates is given by integration r squared sine theta dr d theta dy, and here the limit of r is from 0 to capital R, because r is the radius of the sphere. So the limit of r is from 0 to r. The limit of theta, to find the limit of theta, we can see here that this distance is r by 2 and this distance is r, so this will be equals to root 3 times r by 2. So if this is r by 2, so this angle will be 60 degree. So the theta limit will be from 60 degree to 180 degree. So the limit of theta will be 0 to 60 to 180 degree, and the limit of phi will be from 0 to 2 pi. So if we solve for r, so we will get r cube by 3 limit 0 to r. If we solve for sine theta, we will get minus cos theta from 60 to 180 degree, and this is independent of pi, so we will get 2 pi here. So this turns out to be r cube by 3 and minus cos 180 minus cos 60 into 2 pi. So solving this, we will get minus 2 pi r cube by 3 minus 1 minus half, so this will be equals to pi r cube. So we have gotten this much of the volume, and this is the cone of radius root 3 r by 2 and height is r by 2. So the volume of this cone will be is equals to 1 over 3 pi r square h. So putting the values 1 over 3 pi root 3 r over 2 square and r by 2. So this will be equals to pi r cube by 8. So the total volume of this portion underneath the water will be equals to the addition of the two. So the volume will be equals to pi r cube plus pi r cube divided by 8, and that will be equals to 9 pi r cube divided by 8. Now the Archimedes principle says that the buoyant force will be equals to the weight of the liquid which is displaced by the material. So the weight of the material is the volume times the density times the acceleration due to gravity. So this will be 4 by 3 pi r cube into, let's say the density of the material is sigma, into g. That will be equals to the weight of the liquid which is displaced by the object, and that will be equals to the volume of the liquid, which is 9 pi r cube by 8, into density of the water is, let's say, rho, into g and g will cancel out, pi r cube will cancel out, and rho was given to be 1 gram per centimeter cube. So sigma will be equals to 3927 divided by 32 gram per centimeter cube, and that's the answer. Thank you.